Most service providers don't know which clients are about to cut them until it's too late. By the time the renewal conversation starts, the decision has already been made.
The Client Risk Analysis Agent scores your entire client portfolio in minutes, churn probability, revenue exposure, and a prescriptive retention playbook for every account that matters. Comprehensive analysis, every signal that separates a client at risk from one ready to expand. Drop in a service provider name, the agent handles the rest. The portfolio verdict, which tier, which accounts, and how much revenue is already walking out the door. The highest risk accounts scored and ranked with the exact signals that drove each number. High-risk accounts where the relationship is thinner than the contract value suggests. Revenue exposure quantified, tiered by urgency, and the churn probability behind every estimate. Which accounts need a call today, which need a QBR this week, and what to say in each conversation. The sector patterns and retention plays that tell you how to reposition before the next renewal cycle. Stop finding out clients are leaving after they've already decided. Draup's Client Risk Analysis Agent, from service provider name to portfolio-wide churn defense. Only on Draup.